All right, so near the passenger side here, what I found was you put this bolt, you can put this bolt on here so you can actually hang it because this slides in. Make sure it's nice and clean. You're gonna need every, millimeter here. When it's hanging, trying to push this up so the top connects was extremely hard for me. I think just a little bit of corrosion. It wasn't really wide enough to slide on. So I taped some of the other stuff out of the way here and then really gave it a whack. I tried putting a 2x4 under and kind of jacking it up, but it's got to kind of come at an angle. So it didn't work great to get that on for me. So what I did was I actually sanded a little bit. This is the old one here. I actually had to sand a little bit on the inside. I know it's not ideal with the brand new one, but more on the car than I did here, but just to get it to fit, because if you measure this one versus the new one, there was a little bit of a difference. And then up top here, what I ended up doing, it's hard to see down here. You can almost see the bolt here. What I ended up doing once I got it really close, there's the bolt, if you can see just there, right there. I actually ended up getting it really close, and I got this screwdriver. I'm surprised this even worked. That could get in there because the hole wasn't perfectly lined up. And then with the screwdriver in the hole, I actually used the crowbar to pull it the last little bit up because it had a fraction of a tiny bit. And this actually worked. Surprisingly, the screwdriver might have bent a little bit. I couldn't even tell. But it actually worked to line it up. That was the hardest part, was lining that top hole perfectly up right there so that could actually thread in, if you can see it.